Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the device application, you will see this menu. Now you need to go to the custom buttons and let's work with it. So, for the left earbud, I wanna select it. I wanna change it to call voice assistant. I just tap on it and I select voice assistant. If you don't need it, you can leave at ambient control or select something else. Now, right one, for the double press, I wanna leave it. I like this gesture, and let's go to the triple tap. So for the left earbud, for the triple tap, I wanna play previous track. So I'm just tap on it and then select previous track, then go back. And right earbud, I wanna leave it because I also like it, I prefer this mode. Then we have press and hold, and for the press and hold we can select nothing more than volume control. So if I press on the left one, as you can see, we have only volume down, volume up, and or we can also set it to none, but I don't need it. I want to use this gesture also. It's the same situation with the right one. So I guess this one is the best one for you. Maybe you can just leave ambient control if you don't need voice assistant, but I guess this one is a good one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!